We will learn something about palmage and palindrome. That is neither we know. If you are ready, I will be waiting for you. And we will learn some original. Yeah, we will also do revision of certain tricks that we learned in the last class. Okay, we learned some mathematics like straight question anywhere.
What do you class?
Today we will
Oh,
see
sorry.
tricks that we learned about adding the numbers to sequence and finding that is going to be very handy. So all of you have done paper and here we go where our first page. Okay. So on your page paper, you are going to draw 9 dots like this. Yes, all of you can draw 9 dots like this. Yes, so these 9 are dots like these. Okay, we have to join all these 9 dots. Okay, listen very carefully. Using only 4 straight continuous lines. All of you please go on mute because I think many of you are speaking in between. Yeah, so I will repeat what you have to do. You have to join all these 9 dots using only 4 straight continuous lines. Okay, straight continuous lines. Straight means it has to be like this. Okay, this is not a straight line. Do you see my screen? Okay, I cannot make something design like this and this and this. This is not a straight line. Okay, and continuous means I should not lift my pencil. Let's say if I join this dot to 2 dots without lifting pencil, so I go here. This is a continuous line. Next, with a second line. Within the edge, you have 8 boxes on each arm, and in the middle you have it's a slipping edge. Okay, middle you have 4, making 8 boxes together again. Have you finished drawing? If you're done finished, just please thumbs up. You finished. Done? I will repeat it. You have 8 boxes in each arm of horizontal edge and 4
300. How come it implies like one?
Okay, Alex, okay. The question says, the area of this particular figure is 320 centimeters square. 12 centimeters square. This full shape area is 320. Now, why we divide by 20 is because in this shape, there are 8 squares here, 8 squares here, and 4 squares between. So 8 plus 8 makes 16 plus 20. Therefore, divided by 20. Okay. So then when we divide it by 20, this, now I will draw this one square for you. So this is only one square, okay? Let's say, let's zooming it out in a microscope, and this one square looks like this. So this one square equals how much? 320 divided by 20. If you divide 320 by 20, what do you get? You get 16, right? Because 16 multiplied by 20 gives you 320. Okay? So it is 16.
Okay.
This one square equals 16. Now the area of a square means its side multiplied by side. This is side and this is another side. All the sides of squares are same. If you are younger grade and if you are not yet learned area of square is calculated as side multiplied by side. And since it is both, it has to be the same number which multiplied to itself. Same number which multiplied to itself. So what is the number? That is the reason. Side each small side is 4 centimeters. Now the question is we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what? The complete outer side of the shape. So when we count outer side, we will only consider this outer side. Each square has an outer side of 4 centimeters. We will not consider inside sides, right? So how many sides are there like that? You can see this. Easy, right? Yeah, so that's how we got the answer. Because that's what we sides. Right? There are 8 here, 8 here, 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 and in between. And that's how we got it. 30.
Okay. Thank you.
Good. Say yes. Any other question for me? Yeah, I have more minutes. So, fine students, if you don't have questions to continue, let me tell
Now, you can write this question in your notebook as well. So, these are all your paper notes, right? These are all your questions to find. Sequence of increasing difficulty order. And the first question will be quite easy compared to the last question. Now I want you to attempt to guess. I really want you to guess what number is equal to 1000 minus 531 minus 750 minus 750. I want to actually think of 2 different ways of doing this. What can we do? 2 different ways.
One could be you take the 1000 and you subtract each, and the other could be you add the
3 things out from here. So you combine those 3 things like adding, and then you subtract from 1000. Nice. So now let's go here. Okay, so second question. Now we have to find out how many stars are there. So what is think of different ways of calculating. Pattern is kind of distributed in an even fashion or an order fashion.
Even, but kind of
Okay. Do they look exactly the same? Do they look like
Yes.
mirror images? We call them mirror images. You know what mirror image? So that means our answer has to be an even number. So you can get this point. If I multiply any number by 2, or if I double any odd number or even number, the answer is always even number. So now you can strategy in this particular question is you find out the similarity and then you factor it. What about this line? We have only 4, right? And this line we have 2. So that means we have total 7 plus 2. How do I add it now? And then this 9. So total are 19 here, right? And so are 19 here also. Come on, taking too much time. I push this area up. Instead of, because anyway the length is not going to change if I push this up, correct? So if I push this bar like this, and if I push this bar here, this is vertical side. I'm going to see you able to see that, right? If I push this side here, this side here, then we have what is the length of this rectangle, sorry, the height of this rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then that's how you count it, visualize it, instead of counting one by one by one. Are you getting what I mean to say? If we count one by one, it will be easy now. Yes.
And then the rest
When you say 18 plus 11, you can always say
then it's 24 plus 18 equals 42
that's right. That's right. Easy to count numbers are always those which ends with 100 or 10s. Only when we have to find the product of multiple numbers, we try to group those products first, which gives you easy answers. Easy answers like 10, 100. Are you getting that? Try solving first how you do it.
And then 3 times 7 so
10,000. getting a product which is like 8 or a product of 8.